Hello everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm your host Shri. In this episode, we will learn English in a simple and fun way. We will talk about a real-life topic: social media addiction. Many people use social media every day. We use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. These apps help us stay connected with our friends, watch funny videos, and share photos. But sometimes we use them too much. Today we will learn about this problem and also learn English at the same time. Let's start with a simple question. What is social media addiction? Social media addiction means using social media too much. Some people check their phones all the time. They scroll and scroll for hours. They feel anxious when they don't have their phone. They feel sad when they don't get likes or comments. This is a sign of addiction. Addiction means doing something again and again, even when it's not good for you. It's like a habit that's hard to stop. Now let's learn some new words. Addiction means you cannot stop doing something. Scroll means moving your finger up or down on the phone screen. Notifications are the messages or alerts we get from our apps. Anxious means feeling worried or nervous. Compare means looking at others and thinking they are better than you. These words help us talk about social media in English. Try to remember them. Let's ask some simple questions. Do you check your phone every few minutes? Do you feel bad when your post gets no likes? Do you stay up late using social media? If you say yes to these questions, maybe you use social media too much. Many people have this problem, so you are not alone. But we can learn how to change that. Now let's talk about how social media affects our life. First, it takes a lot of our time. We say, I will use it for 5 minutes. But we end up using it for 1 hour. We lose time for studying, working, or spending time with family. Second, it affects our sleep. When we use phones before bed, we sleep less and feel tired the next day. Third, it can make us feel sad. We see people with perfect photos and perfect lives. We compare ourselves and feel like our life is not good. But remember, social media is not always real. People only post their best moments. Now here is some good news. We can use social media to learn English. Yes, that's right. You can follow English teachers online. You can watch short English videos. You can listen to English podcasts, like this one. You can read captions, leave comments, and even make your own videos in English. This way you learn while having fun. Try to say this: I follow English teachers on Instagram. Or, I watch English videos every day. These are good habits. If you want to use social media less, here are some ideas. First, you can set a time limit. Maybe 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening. You can turn off notifications so you don't get distracted. You can take a break for 1 day or 1 week. You can also find other activities like reading, walking, or writing. Try to do these things in English. For example, read an English story or write a diary in English. This helps you improve your language and enjoy your free time. Let's practice some simple English sentences. You can repeat after me. I think I spend too much time on social media. Now try this one. I want to take a break from my phone. And another one, I will use my time to learn English. These sentences are easy and helpful. You can say them every day. Now let's do a short speaking practice. I will ask questions and you can answer. You can pause the video and speak. Question 1. How many hours do you use social media in one day? Question 2. Do you feel addicted to social media? Question 3. How do you feel after using it for a long time? Question 4. How can you use social media to learn English? Great job! Speaking out loud is very important. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. In today's episode, we learned about social media addiction and how it affects our life. We also learned many new English words and simple sentences. We talked about how to change bad habits and how to use social media for good things, like learning English. I hope this podcast helped you learn and think. Remember, English is not hard if you practice every day. Use the tools you already have like your phone to help you grow. Thank you so much for listening to this episode. If you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Every week, we talk about new topics in simple English, so stay with us. Take care of your time, your health, and your learning. See you in the next episode.